or the start. Okay. So the 2-day trade, yeah. Okay. After this, I entered because this was one, two. No, I would enter here, by the way. Okay. But I don't know what happened. I entered after. Maybe I was busy. I entered again. I did re-entry on
I did
this.
enter.
Okay. So let's see now what will happen. Okay. Liquidity grab. Okay. So my stop loss is going to be here then. This is huge. 30 pips. Okay. Anyway, this is our plan. What to do? Because we say them one level. So as soon as here I collect and put the stop loss at break even. Okay. Okay. I entered even low risk. Okay, that's why. I entered low risk. It was not a V1 setup. So yeah. Now breakout happened here. Then after I saw this candle, you see, this one all the way go up. I was losing hope. Then all of a sudden it came back with the volume. So what I did, I put a stop loss at entry and let it run till here, like one time wick down. I was so happy that this will go down and break this low, but didn't happen. Then what did? Again, next candle, I did not leave again for second chance. I closed it immediately and then finish. No more trades because really it was choppy today. So that was trade for today only, which uh, which was winning trade. But I got lucky that on this breakout I did not enter immediately. There was a gain, wake up, came back. Now you see after this closure, what happened? See, this is a few candle on M1 to upside. Now, all the way went up and came back. So only lower time frame was working. So now, to be honest, today I got lucky that I got this trade. There is no even the pattern was okay, but I didn't hold that drawdown. Okay. The even there are, let's see how many levels we have. Today gold was not respecting. Okay, but the pattern was clear to take sells. Now, you guys, you can ask. M15 was so clear that we missed that trade. Here it is just because we were concentrating on other time frames. Now here you see this was fake out, came back in the range, liquidity grab, price action. Wix matter, I think he like spotted this short position, which was perfect. Okay. But again, I was not, if I was in this trade, I was in break even. But if you're holding it, it will go then. It was not the volume day of gold. Another buys was here. Fake out. Okay, this is liquidity grab, which is not complete liquidity grab. There was again a space, a little bit. No FUs, nothing, just okay, liquidity grab. Price action closed above this levels. Again, then came back, went up, but the direction was clear if you're following V2 pattern from here. See, even this level was also okay, like did not reject. Candle was full. So went up, few pips. You could hold for 22 pips again. It was not nice trade, but this was okay on M15. Now, if you look at M30, nothing is special than this trade. Nothing. There was no other trade except than this move to downside. Liquidity grab, sell. Sell from here. I think also you will get it. It was around 40 pips, but a lot of break even. It was not easy to hold that with our risk management. No way. Okay. But at least we are not in the wrong direction. So now tell me how you lost the trade.
Let me see. I'm driving right now, so I cannot post it.
Okay.
But it was on M30,
Okay.
and it was before the huge spike that we have on the upside. So after we closed below the fresh resistance, I took the sell, but it went in my direction for like let me say 5 pips, and then it went back, so I wasn't able to put to break even because in my rules I have
10
to
pips.
put break even after 10. Yeah,
Okay.
but the loss was latched, so I'm not scared about it, because if you follow every time the same plan, in the long run you will be
okay. But can you tell me
positive. So
which
okay.
cell? Sorry,
Yeah.
if you are driving, I have what is your timing? You use plus what time? Like UTC you use or
UTC plus 2.
UTC plus 2?
Yeah.
Which
If you
country?
where you marked Italy, Rome.
Italy. Rome. Okay, so it will be your 16 o'clock or
No, 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 no.
15:30?
The, no,
15?
before. No, before is the blue one. It's on that level, but it's the blue one.
The blue one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
Okay. You took where you took sell or you took buys?
I took sell after at the beginning of the candle, because the candle before closed below the resistance, and but it went straight on
No,
the
one
stop loss.
question. Below the support or no, below the resistance? How which resistance you mean?
If you look at the left, you have at the same level on the left, you have 2 candles. But,
This one you mean?
no, wait. Let me stop just a second. So if I can write on the screen, let me see from the phone. Do you know if it's possible mark on the screen
I don't
from
know.
the
No,
phone?
don't mark. Just tell me which candle. See, I'm having this resistant here.
No, before. That one, yeah.
This one. This is 6 a.m. your time.
No. It's difficult
Okay,
without.
this is 30 minutes chart. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Is let me see if I can write.
no, you tell me which time. Say I have timings.
I think he's telling about the lowest one, which the lowest resistance you have found. Just this one. I think.
Yes, that one. Yes, perfect. No, but below,
No.
that one. Yes, there.
This one. This is support.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, that's support. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Then this was okay. How you took trade based on this level?
I waited for the closure below, and I took the sell on this candle. Let me see. If it, I will go back here to home in 5 minutes. So
No, no,
I
no,
will
no.
post in 5 minutes in the chat.
If you are going to home, it's okay. If you are going to home,
Yeah,
it's okay. Yeah,
yes,
then
I'm going
we'll
home,
wait.
so
Okay,
yeah, it will be easier. Will be.
okay. Because I want to
Okay.
see how you spotted the pattern. Okay, no issues. We'll
Okay.
wait for you. Okay. Guys, who lost the trade? I want today to talk about losing day. No issues. Who
Yeah,
lost the trade?
I can
Share it.
add.
Yes, I did. I
Okay.
did, but it already showed. So
Which one?
when the candle closed bearish below the support, uh, right. Yes,
The,
below that support.
okay.
Next, left, right. Yes, and the next candle. Yeah.
Okay, you got stopped up. Did you do the re-entry or no?
Yes, I did the re-entry and closed both positions at 10 pips negative on the first try.
Okay, if you don't mind, can we go through the details of it?
Yes, so my resistance was on your left. Yes, above. Yes. This was my resistance, and so manipulation happened. Yeah, my level was one above, so
Who is talking?
Krufi.
Profi. Okay, do you know that you're telling me something which is not exist in our pattern? No, I don't see the here. Based on this, you took cells here. No, I want to talk with you. No problem. Okay. See, if I say something, I may be rude or whatever, ignore it. Just let's focus on learning. Either I will understand you, or you will understand me. We will spot what you are thinking or what I am thinking. Okay. Take it positive, whatever we are saying. Just I want to say on the left side, nothing to do with this level cell. Okay. Can you tell me how you spot this resistance to run this trade on this area?
it's just because my level was there from before, maybe,
Okay, no,
and
ignore it.
so
First of all, look at the
yeah,
fresh
so probably
levels. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Do you see this level here?
Yes.
Okay. So this one broke this high, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the support of this level? Where is it? Here,
Below
here,
this
here.
one, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is
Or this one or below one.
no, this one. First of all,
Okay.
it is
Because
think
from this level, yeah.
yeah, think like a building. Okay. Think like a building. Last floor is holding the roof. Okay. Always think like that. It's give example of the building. It's kind of block. This block is holding this roof. If this floor is broken, we are going to go continue to downside. First of all, you need to agree on this. Guys, do you have any problem with my voice? Because I connected to my normal Wi-Fi. If you want, I will connect to my phone data. It will be more with more speed. If anyone facing any issue, let me know.
No, all good.
All good?
No, there is no problem.
There is no problem?
Yes,
Yeah,
no
all
problem.
good.
Okay, fine. If it's lagging, let me know. First of all, we need to say this is a support which created a high, and then okay, we had a market structure which broke this low, that is this resistance. Okay, we did a fake out, we came back, we closed below. Okay, then we went up, we did liquidity grab. If you see my message for sell was where here. Okay, this was my message for sell. And from there, if we are not planning to close our trade, it will be how much? 48 pips. okay? But because we are planning to close our trade because of M1 levels, after breakout, stop loss was here, okay? We got a stopped out because of our plan. Nothing wrong with that, okay? Nothing wrong. We cannot put a stop loss above because this is so much up. That's around 32 pips. But the plan is plan. The last breakout was from here. They hunted our stop loss, okay? This is what I feel like when you throw the strategy for public, this is going to happen. Anyway, not every time is going to happen because there was no volume. If there was enough volume, it could continue straight forward to downside. And we were happy to catch this. How many pips? 30 pips minimum. Okay. So you guys should know that not every day this is going to happen. First of all, from here till down, it was around 14 pips. Then if you're at break even, you're going to be safe. Okay. This is one thing. You're not going to hit a stop loss. Now, I want to repeat again what I said. I said I have chosen the most important level. Okay. When you are taking high quality setups, your resistance is a strong resistance, which break the low. Your support is a strong support, which break the high. So we have break of a structure on both the side. Okay. So it's kind of S&D on lower time frame. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we call this manipulation, and then we came back, closed price action down. We could not enter here, but VIX Matter spotted this and said this is M15 and entry. That was amazing. Okay. Then when you are going to lower time frame, you are entering there. It is kind of you're entering for break, and then if there is no liquidity grab, that so you should know when there is a straightforward move to downside, that is breakout. When there is we have liquidity grab, that is retest. Okay, guys, retest means liquidity grab. Now we did a retest to the level here, and then we closed back in the below the support, which is here, and then on M15 that was good to go for this breakout here. But see, again, we stopped out. After that, here it was okay for re-entry of the sell. It was around, again, few pips. Not enough, but at least the concept is clear to take some profit. Okay. See, I don't want to force the concept on the chart, but this was on the Discord, okay? When I said sell, okay, let's go, because I want to make sure that okay, here. You see this doji breakout? It is exactly what I said. This is the okay, here we had liquidity grab. Now we had support which break the low, closed, and then liquidity grab, retest, and then close back in the range with price action with lower confirmation. If we have a strong momentum, we should close where, guys? Below this level. Okay, here 1972. But we did not have a strong momentum. We closed below the latest support, fresh support, important fresh support. Okay, not the regular fresh support. It's important fresh level of support. And then sell was making logic from here to first TP were 40 pips, but we got stopped out, guys. See, This candle. This is the issue here. This one. The rest was in our favor. And then this went up after hitting down. It went up. It was around $5 move because of dirty volume today on gold. Okay. So I hope the concept is clear. The direction was okay. But since our risk management says that this is the risk management, we follow the plan. We follow the plan. That's it. So I hope this is clear. Now, uh, if you have any doubt or you took trade based on something, please share with me. I want to understand how you took buys or sell, except then this sell directly from here, and except then this buy. If you took any trade in between, let me know.
Yeah, I took that buys from this FU candle, the left one.
I don't
Yeah,
see
this
proper
one.
FU, bro. Which this one?
No, left one. When the 30-minute came
This one
like
here.
back in the range.
Here.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. I want to punish you. You know why? We have important
yeah.
support there. We have resistance here. I was waiting myself personally to take close above this range. And after closure above this range, I wanted to take buys from here. I was in the meeting, okay? That was 17 pips. That's it. That was acceptable. But if you took something in between here in long term, in the long run, you're doing mistake because you need to close above important level. And the problem today, what
Actually,
they
I
did, they didn't
thought,
close it here. They closed all the way up. So I think on M15 there was a chance to enter here. You see that from here
yeah.
it makes sense to enter. But here you guys were talking about M1, M5. I was pissed off. I brought Muhammad also. I told him we will not discuss about M1, M5 at all. We need to concentrate on M15 because me personally, I cannot do that. I did it already 6 months, um, or maybe around 1 year. It is perfect, okay? But you need to be full-time trader, okay?
Okay, actually, my SL got hit to just 1 pip before moving into the actual direction. So
Hmm.
it was like, okay.
Okay.
And the next one got break even, and the two trades you discussed, I took at like same level, 18 pips, stop loss, and same TP, everything okay.
Okay.
The
No issues.
first trade was my
Okay.
experience.
But today it was ranging for us, and this move which we spot, it was not a high risk. Like I think nobody entered with 1% risk because the V1 setup we couldn't find even after we had this candle. When you're going to take sell, when it's fully closed below, something strong. But this what it did. All the way went back. Did not close strong down. So now see if something is not closing strong, what will happen? Like this. Up, down, up, down. Nothing. Don't have anything on the chart. Now this is going to go to downside like that.
Muhammad
Yeah.
Muhammad gave me an explanation telling that London Open was somehow fake moves, that Frank Open. I don't know what word was that. Like, I
See,
don't know what he was talking about, like fake
I
outs.
will tell you. Muhammad, he has liquidity concept. And if you're going to mix liquidity concept with with our pattern, it will not work. Every strategy has its own weaknesses and strongness, and then they have a lot of confirmation points. Now, our confirmation is simple: manipulation, liquidity grab, PA, and then we do our risk management. And simple as it is, we look at M15, M30 most, and then H1. Okay, so if you will go for M1, like Muhammad, he said, you have to think London Open, Frankfurt Open, first of all, then London Open. Then you need to know NY Open, then this one, NYSE Open. I don't know, you take care of the news. A lot of things are going to be there, a lot of information. And all information you're going to appreciate, Muhammad, for that, okay? But I am not going to handle the situation because now I can teach for M13, 15 very relaxed. I don't have tension. Every 15 minutes, sometimes I took a look at the chart, or every 30 minutes, like every half an hour. Okay? So that is more easy for me to handle at my office. Now, if we are going to be full-time trader and we have a trading floor, I prefer that to dedicate some people at that M1 setup and let them work and work day and night. I will give them the direction, okay, until we get the patterns which are working, and then we trade them. But right now, me personally, the patterns which I found in M1, it needs a lot of confirmation points, checklist. Here we have around 3-4 checklists. There we have around maybe 8 checklists. Okay, which one is simple? The one which is 3 checklist, or which one has high checklist? So now, yeah. So now, if you want to take here on M1, you can take buys. Sells on M1, you can take here. Why? Because this is a stop hunt of this candle. Okay, I will tell you how. But which one of you are going to concentrate in that way? See here, you can stop hunt. Here also you can stop hunt. Okay, here. And here as well. Okay, now how we are going to do that, I will show you. Now a stop hunt happen, okay? Here, stop hunt. Which was the important support made new high? This one. You see? Support. Okay, we had a few attempt, close below the support. Next, retest and close back. Okay, our pattern. Next candle, again, went up, did not break the low, but as soon as it break the low, you are happy to enter short here. Above the level. This all move is our here. Risk management is different, okay?
So basically, M1 is just calling the tops and the bottoms.
Yes, stop hunts
Right.
of the sessions. Okay, that's why I made separate group. You can go for that. But this is not going to be happen every M30, M15. This is going to be happen every minute. Who is going to stay on the chart like that? Which one of you? If any one of you are ready to stay on that, I will be happy. I will receive signal from you guys. 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. I will sit and have fun here. And if I keep runner also, I will enjoy more. Okay? Till this level. This is what me, Eugene, Muhammad, Joe are doing. Okay? Nothing special. This is SPP pattern on M1. Tops and bottom liquidities are different. Okay? It is fake out first. Then we are going to come back to down. Now, you want to work on this? No issues. There is a Discord. Okay. M1, M5. I'm going to put this silent, but see, nobody ready to work here. I don't know why. If you guys can send a trade, nobody can send a signal even. Because when you see M1, how you are going to share the signal? Tell me. You will run your trade or execute your trade, or what you will do. Okay. So if you like this trade, yeah, it's nice. But who is going to do it? If you are ready to do it, then place is there. And 1 and 5 put here.
No, I'm not.
Okay. So I practice.
It's difficult.
It's not difficult. It's neat. Like, okay, you are working. If I am working and I want to go to M1, M5, I will miss the trades. A lot of trades I will miss. You can grow your account crazy. Like you can make it if you win rate, your win rate is